Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone is original or fake. So actually it's very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to go to the settings on our device. As you can see, the main page of the settings is open. Now scroll down a little bit until you will find general settings with a little gear icon. Click on it. And now the first option here is what we need. This is about. So click on about. And now I have the details about our phone. As you can see, the name, the model number, serial number. And what is interesting here for us is this is serial number. So just hold for a while on the serial number and you will see a little copy button. So copy the serial number of your phone and close the settings. Now open the browser you are using. I'm going to open Safari, and here you need to type in check coverage Apple. So basically search for this website and open the first one from apple.com. And now we need here to check the coverage of our device. So basically, if our phone is original, it will find our device and it will check our coverage, if it is available or not. But if it is fake, so it won't find any phone for this serial number, and basically that is how we know that it is fake. But basically here, as you can see, it found my phone, iPhone 12 Pro. This is my phone, this is my serial number, and I bought it on August 2021, and coverage is expired. But basically the main goal is completed. We checked that my phone is original, and basically that is it. That is how we can check if your iPhone is original or fake. And basically that is it. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.